Alright, let's talk coral reefs. These underwater wonderlands aren't just pretty, they're the rainforests of the sea, home to a quarter of all marine life. But here's the deal. Climate change is turning up the heat, literally, and that's making coral bleaching and mass die-offs more common than ever. It's bad news for oceans, and honestly for us too. But I'm not here just to bum you out. Around the world, people are getting seriously creative to save these reefs. Take coral gardening, for example. Scientists are growing baby corals in underwater nurseries, then planting them back onto damaged reefs. It's like giving the ocean a second chance, and it's working in places like Florida and the Great Barrier Reef. Then there's this wild idea, supercorals. Researchers are breeding corals that can handle hotter, more acidic water. These tough little polyps could help reefs survive in a future that's looking a lot warmer. And it's not just scientists. Local communities are stepping up, using low-tech solutions like underwater structures to kickstart new reef growth. Even tourists can help by joining reef-safe snorkeling tours or backing reef restoration projects. Look, the future of coral reefs is risky. Climate change is a huge challenge. But with bold ideas and a little teamwork, I believe we can tip the scales. Do you think these efforts can mitigate the heat and acidity brought on by hotter and hotter seas? The next 10 years are crucial. If we act now, we just might keep these underwater cities alive for generations to come. Let's make it happen. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.